Good morning, dear students. Let us start with chapter number 3 in your textbook, page number 17, The Naughty Boy. Now look at the pictures, children. You have to take the pictures in which the children are showing good manners. In the first picture, two children are fighting for a ball. In the second picture, two children are seen sharing textbook. Now in which picture, children? The children are showing good manners? Yes, it is picture number 2. Now children, when you behave good with others, when your behavior is very good with others, they will like you. But if you are not good with others, if you are rude to them, if you misbehave with them, they will not like you. Okay, so this story is similar kind. Here, the story is of a naughty boy who was very mischievous. He used to trouble others, and because of this, he was left all alone. Now let us read the story and find out further what all happened. Tom was a little boy who had no friends. One day, his mummy and daddy saw him sitting all alone in the park. They were worried. They spoke to his class teacher, Mrs. Sharma. Next day, Mrs. Sharma saw Tom sitting all alone in the school playground. She called some of his classmates. Now children, what is happening here? Tom is a little boy. He is a small boy. He has no friends. Okay. And one day he saw, his parents, his mummy and daddy saw him sitting all alone in the park. Now looking at this, mummy, papa were very tensed. They were not happy. Now they spoke to his class teacher about this. And the name of the class teacher was Mrs. Sharma. Next day, Mrs. Sharma also saw the same thing. He saw Tom sitting all alone in the playground. Now, looking at this, the class teacher called some of her classmates and asked, "Why don't you ask Tom to play with you?" She asked them. "He spoils our game, ma'am. He pushes us, ma'am. Ma'am, he pulls our hair when we play in park in the evening." Now Mrs. Sharma knew why no one wanted to play with Tom. Okay. Now children, what do we learn here? That Tom was a troublesome boy. He used to trouble his classmates. Now when the teacher asked the classmates to play with him, they told everything. They said he will be spoiling our game. Okay. He will be doing something bad in our game. He will push us away. He will pull our hair. Okay. So nobody wanted to play with Tom. Now Mrs. Sharma had a solution to this problem.